Today I'm with my mom, Kathy Weaver, and we are making a spice cake that has been in my family for a long time. It is absolutely delicious. I have very vivid memories from childhood. My dad requests it every year for his birthday. And Mom, tell us a little bit about the history of the spice cake recipe.
Yes. Well, I've been baking this cake for 56 years for my husband. He requested, as Meredith said, every year. But it was passed down to me by Gary's mother, and previously it was Gary's grandmother and his great-grandmother. And so it's been in the family, the recipe, and passed down for 5 generations with Meredith, including Meredith. So hopefully it'll stay in the family and keep making it. It's delicious and it smells heavenly.
It's important to get your ingredients ready before you start. And right now Mom is measuring the flour and she's going to put them in these beautiful crocks. And we have everything laid out. You'll need spices like cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and not a spice, but you will need salt. Then once you have the spices in the container, you want to mix them thoroughly. Here Mom is greasing the pan, and then you flour the pan so it doesn't stick. Next, we are boiling water. Then you add the raisins and you let that cook a little bit. Then you add the shortening and you want to make sure that it dissolves. After that, the next step is to add the lemon extract and pour everything into the bowl.
Okay, so we're incorporating the flour, the dry ingredients, and the water and raisin and shortening mixture, and you really want to work this in pretty well. And then you add your milk at the end, and then you pour it in the Angel Food Cake Pan and pop it in the oven.